Every time you are around me, it makes my heart flutter. You are the most beautiful person in the whole world. Your beauty is enchanting. It radiates from within. It is not just about the face, but it comes from your heart and pure soul and is reflected in your eyes too. I would give you up breathing, but not being in love with you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Each time I make a wish, I wish for us to be together forever. I know it will come true because you already live in my heart. I love you. I cannot be more pleased for having you in my life. I will crush in you in my heart forever. I love you so much, honey. If I were a tear drop in your eyes, I would roll down on to your lips. But if you were a tear in my eyes, I would never carry as I would be afraid to be lose you. I love you so much, baby. You are my strength. You are not only the sails that steers my ship, but also the waves below that carry me. Without you, I would cease to have a bee cup bone as you are the foundation holding my up. I could not never think of a day when you are not not with me. I imagine if that day came, I would become weak. I would crumble into a crowd. But together we are stronger. We are unstoppable. That is why I love you. Good morning, beautiful. It is. I know the beautiful day with the most beautiful in my life. I hope you have a great day full of joy because that's how you make your man feel every day. I love you more than words could every expresses. You